Serial number 1 for PTG for us. And men like you are the reason why many of us are left single. Because you take away too many chances. Ladies and gentlemen, may we have serial number 2 for Poumai's Got Talent on stage, please.
Hello everyone, I'm serial number 2. I'll be singing Thank You Lord for Your Blessings. How I wish they could see. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. There's a roof above me, of a good place to sleep. It's food on my table and shoes on my feet. You gave me and a fine family. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me. I know I'm wealthy, and these clothes they're not new. I don't have much money, but Lord, I have you, and don't there's a roof above me, a good place to sleep. There's food on my table and shoes on my feet. You gave me your love and a fine family. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings on me.
For a soulful performance. Now may we have serial number 3 on the stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. PGD serial number 3. I will be singing a cover of a song by Eric Clapton. It's called Wonderful Tonight. I hope you have a great time during the next 5 minutes of my performance. Thank you. beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she'll ask me, do you feel alright? And I'll say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonders of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. Time to go home now. I've got an agent here, so I gave her the car key, and she helps me tonight. And then I tell her, as I turn on the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, serial number 3, for that amazing performance. Now may we have serial number 4 on the stage.
Hello. Hi everyone. I hope you're having a beautiful time. I'm serial number 4 and I'll be singing To Love You More. To the ones I love, leave me like you did before. Touch me once again, and remember there was no one but you wanted more. Don't go. You know you break my heart.
Thank you, serial number 4, for such a wonderful performance. And also a big thank you to all the participants for sharing your talent with us tonight.